What if I told you that your living room could rival the sound of a cinema with booming bass, crisp dialogue, and even sound effects swirling above your head? Today, we're diving into 6 of the best home theater setups of 2025 that will completely transform the way you watch movies, play games, and stream your favorite shows. Imagine sitting down to watch your favorite blockbuster, and not only hearing the sound explode around you, but actually feeling the voices and effects soaring above you thanks to its triple up-firing speakers, including a center up-firing channel dedicated just to dialogue clarity.